Yo, so today I'm going to show you how to make money off of YouTube Shorts and get your channel monetized, even if you don't know how to make videos. The best part of what I'm about to show you is you do not have to get on camera in order to make money on YouTube Shorts. Stay tuned. I'm about to show you how. So before we get started, let's talk about what is YouTube Shorts. So if you have not seen by now, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok are all at war right now.
This is Sparta!
So of course, YouTube had to get in on short form content, and that's where YouTube Shorts come from. Right now, YouTube is paying content creators tons of money to make these short form videos, and I'm about to show you how to cash in on it. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into this. All right, so if you go to YouTube, what you want to be looking for are videos that are already getting a lot of views. And an easy way to do that is to go to the YouTube search right here. And then you're going to go ahead and put in, for example, funny TikTok video. All right, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that you go to the filters first. So go to the filters and you want to go and look for Creative Commons. And this is going to make sure that the videos that you are pulling won't have any type of copyright restrictions on. So go ahead and do the filter, and then you're going to just look for some videos that have a lot of views. Now you can just look at some of these videos. Look at this one here, 20 million views, 55,000 views, 87,000 views, 1.2 million views, 3 million views. So as you can see, there are tons of videos on YouTube under the Creative Commons that you can go ahead and pull. And what you want to do is go ahead and grab the link for one of these videos. For example, if we went ahead and we grabbed the link for this video, hit share, we hit copy, we got the URL, and then we came over here to this site here, and I'll leave a link for this, and you can go ahead and just download this video. And then what you want to do is save these videos to a folder on your desktop. Probably want to save like 3 or 4 of them, so that way you can compile a good video. Now, once you go ahead and you download these and you have them saved to your desktop, what you want to do is you can either use Canva or you can use something like Adobe Premiere Pro. I like to use Adobe Premiere Pro. That's what I'm used to using. So that's what we're going to create this video with, but you can easily do this using Canva as well. So go ahead and download those videos, get them saved to a folder. And next, we're going to go ahead and jump over into Video Editor. All right, now we have our video editor open. We can go ahead and start to create this video. Now, if you want to make this into a vertical video, you want to make sure that you go up to File, and then you're going to go ahead and create a new sequence. And with that new sequence, go into Settings, and then you're going to change the video size to 1080 by 1920 or whatever dimensions that you want to put it to, but you want to make sure that this is a 9 by 16, right? So go ahead and hit save, and now we have a new project here, as you can see. Now, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and click on project. We're going to go to file up here. We're going to go to new and then add adjustment layer. And then we're also going to go ahead and hit this rectangle tool. Okay, once we click on the rectangle tool, we'll go ahead. We're going to make a block here up at the top. Drag that up to the top. Then we're also going to make another one on the bottom. But before we do that, we're going to change the color of this block here. We're going to change this to a nice bright color. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and put it yellow. We'll do like a off yellow. There we go. So we'll put it in yellow. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stretch that out a little bit. Then we're going to do another one. We'll go ahead and make another one. So we'll Control C. I'm on a Windows computer, then Control V, then that's going to copy it. We're going to paste this right over top. Then we're going to drag this one down here, bottom. All right, there we go. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and get the text tool here. Then we're going to go ahead we're going to add text to this. Size a little bit. Go ahead and put it right up at the top. Another one here. Change the color. All right. So now we have our template set up here. And what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and grab those videos that we just saved to our desktop. We'll grab the video, drop it right here on the timeline. Grab all of this, put it above, go here, and we're going to create a new track. So add track, set up a bit, video. And what we're going to do here is we're going to lock these tracks so that way they don't slide on us while we're moving through the timeline. We'll lock the audio track as well. We'll unlock the audio track. And then what we're going to do, click on that video, expand it, right? And now what we want to do is we want to find the best parts out of this video. All right, so we're going to find whatever parts that we want to use for this video. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create 2 more tracks. Just say we found the part that we wanted on this video. Now what we want to do is we want to bring in our second video clip. We'll bring that one in. We'll find the parts that we want to use out of that one. Then we're going to just make this down to 60 seconds, right? So we want the best 60 seconds out of each one of these videos with the most funniest parts possible. All right. Now we're going to do this for all 3 videos. Then we're just going to combine these together to make one simple video that is 60 seconds long. All right, so we have that at 60 seconds. All right, once we have our video created, we're just going to go ahead and export that video. All right, now that we have our video saved, we want to go ahead and monetize this video. And we're going to do that using affiliate offers by a platform like ClickBank. So what we want to do is go ahead and just get our video ready to be uploaded. We'll go to YouTube and then we'll go ahead and upload the video that we just created. And then what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and create a description in here, a title. So we'll say funny videos of 2023. We're going to go ahead and create a engaging YouTube title. We're going to make sure that this is something that people want to click on, right? And then we're going to go ahead and copy that, put it inside the description. And then what we want to do is we want to go ahead and grab an affiliate offer. All right. So we're going to go ahead over to somewhere like ClickBank. So as you see, there's a lot of affiliate offers that are paying some good money. So we want to grab one that is high paying. We'll click on promote, and then we're going to go ahead and get the hop link for this. So we'll copy that link. Next thing we want to do is we want to head on over to Bitly. We're going to go ahead and shorten this link. So we'll put this inside of Bitly. We will name it whatever the affiliate link was. Then there we go. Now the link has been shortened. We're going to copy that. We're going to head back on over to YouTube. And we're going to go ahead and paste that link into the YouTube description. There we go. Now what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and create a playlist for this. We'll put maybe all funny videos of 23. We'll create a playlist. And then we're just going to make sure that we put relevant tags inside of the video. So we want to go ahead and put whatever tags that we like, funny videos, best funny video, 2023. And then we're just going to go ahead and put however many relevant tags for this video. Now you can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to help you optimize your video so that way you can get the most views possible. Those are some of the tools that I like to use when I am posting on YouTube. So go ahead and finish up your video, and then you're just going to go ahead and click on next. And there you go. So as you can see, that process is super simple. We just went ahead and created a video for YouTube and did not have to get on camera at all. Now, all you need to do is stick to the same game plan that I just showed you and guarantee you guys will be seeing thousands of dollars per month by creating short form videos for platforms like YouTube and never have to get on camera, not one single time. Look, and if you don't think that this works, just look at this guy's channel here. He's making anywhere between $14,000 to $220,000 per month on YouTube. So there you go. How to make money on YouTube Shorts without having to put your face on camera. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, and I will see you on the next one.